Today is Monday, and it is another beautiful day here. I've got the windows open, and it feels so good. I'm in my robe, but I'm probably just have to come out of it. My house is a disaster area. I didn't clean at all this weekend. I mean, you know, I did the basic stuff, but like I didn't clean. And then we were working on the fireplace, so that made it a mess. And then we were gone yesterday, and I got a clean house. But I also have some things I want to show y'all, which I'm going to do in just a little bit. I got a shelf. My mother gave me a shelf yesterday for my dining room wall, but it's got to be painted. So I'm going to show y'all that. I want to do that DIY on the eagle with the flag. Been thinking about it and some different techniques to do on it. And cleaning. I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning today, so I don't know how much I'm going to get filmed today, but I've already got up, had my coffee. I've got a load of clothes in the laundry, in the washer. I got to switch over. I got to fold a load of clothes, clean my kitchen, all that, you know, just boring housework stuff. Blah. So I'm going to get busy doing that. Hopefully I can get all that done, and then I can get to work on my little DIYs. So let me get busy, and I'll talk to y'all in just a little bit. Okay, so this is the shelf my mother gave me. It already has a little plate tray, track, slit in there, whatever you want to call it. I love it. It's gonna go perfect. Let me see if I can do like that up here. But I'm going to paint it. So I've got to sand it because it's got a little bit of like some kind of shine to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand it. And I have the black paint that I used on my little cabinet in the hallway that I redid. And I'm gonna be painting this and getting this hung up right there today. I'm gonna move the welcome sign over, like I said, hang my shelf there, and I think it's gonna be great. My plans are to hang it today. Of course, I've gotta paint it and let it dry. So let me go take it out to the garage, get it sanded and painted, and maybe we can hang it up this afternoon. Okay, so now I have my little eagle, I have my Vaseline, and I'm gonna try, instead of like taking a paper towel and wiping it over, I'm gonna take a Q-tip, kind of dip it in my Vaseline, and I'm just gonna wipe it over random spots where I want the paint to come off. And it's gonna be hard to tell with a Q-tip, but I feel like maybe I can get some better precision of exactly where I won't, I don't know, but we're gonna try it. You know, this was what, a whole $1.99. If it messes up and I have to just paint the whole thing a solid color, oh well. But I'm just kind of using my Q-tip, kind of going over the flag. Just some spots where I want it to rub off. All right. So now that I've done that, now I'm going to take my white chalk paint, and we're gonna give it just a messy, full coverage coat over this whole thing. Oh, these flies, y'all better go on, I'm gonna kill you. I hate flies. So, I'm gonna start up here, but I'm just gonna, I like to do the dabbing motion. Till the sun comes over the hills, make your call loud and clear. I will listen patiently. How are you to know? How are you to know? I like doing the dabbing motion versus like painting it on, because then you don't see like the brush strokes, and like if you get a glob of paint that doesn't come off, when you distress it, it just looks all the more old and real. So this is just what I've learned and what works for me. Of course, you know, you do you, but I really love this technique. So, but now we're gonna let this dry. Once this dries, then we're gonna start doing our antique wax, and then our next step will be our dark wax, and we will be done. So let me let this dry and I'll be back. So now my paint is dry. I've gotten my wax, the antique wax in the lid, and I've got this, I think it's a stencil brush, but it's just like a firm brush. And now I'm just gonna kind of tap it in my lid and start going over my piece. Then I'll take my paper towel and start wiping some of that. See how little bits of the blue and the red is coming through? That's what I want. This is the front. You can see a little bit of the beet color, a little bit of the gold tassels, the red, white, and the blue. Okay, I love it so far, but we're not done. So now I'm going to take this dark wax and I use this stiff brush and we're gonna go back over everything, and this is gonna really age it and give it that aged look. Still need my paper towel, so I'll probably just kind of like turn it from the other side like that. So now I just start smearing it in, for lack of a better word. And then wiping it off. Y'all, I love this wax. Just steadily. Now I'm going to show you the difference this makes. This is the with the dark wax, and then this is without it. See how it just kind of like gets in all those little creases and crevices? What you think? I love it. I think it's gorgeous. And where you want some of this dark, but you don't necessarily want it to wipe off, you just tap. Love it. Y'all, I'm going to insert some footage of my grandpup, Benson. They took him Saturday to a corn maze area place, somewhere in Wiggins, I think. I'm not really sure where it was at. But anyway, they called around and found one where you could take, where you could take your dog. And so they took Benson with them. It was Tyler and Delana, and then 2 of their friends, and Benson. Well, she sent me video of Benson. He did not like the cows. So I'm going to insert that footage. And then she also sent me a video of her and Benson. I can't even believe she did this to that poor Benson, but he didn't seem bothered by it. But anyway, I know that I have some dog lovers out there who love, watching the clips of the dogs. So I'm going to insert those video clips that she sent me. I asked her if I could, and she said yes. So, Benson not liking the cows, and then the other clip of her and Benson. So I hope y'all enjoy this little snippet, but I'm telling you, that thing is so cute. He is so funny. So I really hope y'all enjoy that.
You don't like the cows? He's a dead stop. Dad.
No, wait.
She's coming. She's coming.
Y'all getting in that face pretty hard.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Okay, y'all. Pardon my appearance, but I've been working. I got the shelf hung up. I've got some stuff on it. Now, I'm not saying this is how this is going to stay, because I want to do a little tweaking, and I've got another idea of, I have this fork that come down, and I want to say these came from Hobby Lobby, and I painted and did a paint technique on mine so they don't look exactly the same as the ones from Hobby Lobby, because I wanted them to kind of match that black frame, and I tried to do the paint technique on it that would mimic that frame. So what I want to do, I think I want to go back and see if I can buy me a spoon to go with this, and then I have an idea where I want to put them. But I'm going to show you what it looks like for now. Are y'all ready? I'm so proud of myself. I didn't even have to have James hang the shell. Now I do need to touch up the nail head, the screw heads, because you can kind of see them, but just don't look at that part. So let me turn the camera around. All right, y'all ready? Look at there. Okay, so let me explain. Not crazy about the wreath up there. It might go. And I'm going to show you a couple options that I might have for up there. And remember, I'm going to be getting my grandfather's old Bible and my great-grandmother's glasses. So I know all that's going to change when I get all of that. But for the time being, this is where we're at. I'll bring it in closer. And I think it is so cute. And I just love the way it fills up this wall. Look at that. Don't that look so much better, y'all? Okay, now, remember this? I had an idea about putting it, let me see, like this. Buying the spoon and putting them like, the fork going one way and the spoon going the other way, like this. Or I might even do it up there and take the wreath down. What do y'all think? But I think, let me see. I think it just needs something, and I'm going to touch up the screw head so you're not going to see that. But I just think it needs something, or possibly up there. Probably up there is where to go. I maybe have one up there and one down here. I don't know. Anyway, that's how that's looking. And I love it. Love it. So how'd I do? I really like it. I think it's gonna be a fun place to decorate. So anyway, got that done. I got the eagle done. Been cleaning. So yeah, that's about it. Now I gotta get the trash out. Tomorrow's trash day, and I have to hang up the laundry that's in the dryer. But other than that, that's pretty much it, y'all. All right, y'all, the man is home, and I'm gonna let him tell y'all himself if I was in trouble about the Christmas tree. Now, James, remember our story's got a match.
Does she have a black eye?
You don't hit me anyway, even when you get mad at me.
Well, I need to start then.
Y'all, he was not mad at me about the Christmas tree. However, I should have called him first because we did kind of have a rule. And I messed up, didn't I, James?
Mm-hmm.
But you forgive me, didn't you, James?
I never went that far.
You forgive me, didn't you, James?
I think you were carried away.
Turn it down. You still love me, James?
Yeah.
You're not mad?
No.
All right, y'all, that's going to do it for me today. Thank y'all for hanging out with me today. I hope y'all enjoyed. And until next time, bye, y'all.